Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to another video, Home Gardening 480. Sonia was looking at this bed and said to herself, there's still some empty spaces there that we can fill up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the time over to her and let her guide us through.
Okay, so we had planted some radishes over by the turnips and the peas the beginning of December, I want to say. They've done pretty well, but I only planted one row. Found out that roasted root vegetables actually taste pretty good. So I bought some more radish packages at the store the other day, and I still have probably half of a pack left of this original variety. It is approximately 20 days to harvest. Now that the days are starting to get longer, that will probably be true. Those ones, the earliest of the first radishes would have been ready in about 30 days because the days were pretty short. But anyway, I've got room right here between these carrots, and we planted this the lettuce and broccoli here. I've got room there, and then I've got room right in the middle. So this is called Champion. It's 20 days to harvest for this variety. This variety is called Cherry Bell. I happened to pick up an organic seed packet, whatever you want. 22 days to harvest. And then this one is called Early Scarlet Globe, 25 days to harvest. All of these germinate in 4 to 6 days or 47 days. So we should see baby radishes shortly. And if I have room in a week or two, I might do another row somewhere, or half a row or something in another one of these beds. But we're going to do radishes today. So
We have learned doing those over there, the spacing. Some of the radishes they were touching each other. Remember, you were showing me that yesterday, and they were pushing each other out of the soil. So how much, or better yet, what would be the spacing that we're going to do this particular seed on this bed?
So the package says 2 seeds per inch, and then thin when the plant has 4 leaves to 1 plant per inch. Yeah, so this package says 2 seeds per inch, and then thin to 1 inch apart when they're about 4 leaves on the plant. So I have just found that maybe you just want to space 1 seed per inch to start, and then just go from there, because I spent too much time thinning and I don't like it.
That's what I was going to say. We're just going to space them out to 1 inch or 2 inches, just 1 seed?
1 seed per inch.
Okay, roger that. Okay, so I'm going to set up the tripod so we can start doing this. Okay, so we are done now putting the seeds. We're gonna water the this bed, and then we're just gonna move on. And just so you guys know, I know we have said it in previous videos, but it's worth recap. This right here, these seeds, the depth supposed to be ½ inch, and so you just barely scratch the surface, and then just drop the seeds, and then just very mildly just close the little trench that was done about ½ inch, and then proceed to water. So I know we have said it in previous videos again, but so you don't have to go to search what the depth should be. So it is ½ inch, and now we're just watering these the seeds, and also while we're at it, watering the lettuce and also the carrots, which by the way are doing very good. Well, thank you all guys again for joining us on our video, and we'll see you guys on our next video.